Hi everyone, today we'll be sharing with you our approach on whole poached chicken served with ginger and spring onion sauce. Check out the video description for the full recipe. First of all, pour water into the pot. We need enough water to fully submerge the chicken. Once bubble appears on the surface, dip the chicken into the pot. Swirl the chicken and repeat these steps a few times. By swirling the chicken, we allow the cavity to heat up. This way, the chicken will cook more evenly and will ensure the chicken skin to be intact with the flesh. Next, place in few slices of ginger and a knot of spring onion to weed out the gaminess. Turn the heat down to a simmer. Do not boil the chicken to avoid the chicken turning rough and dry. Poach the chicken for around 30 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken. Use a skewer to test whether the chicken is cooked. If blood appears, cook it for a little longer. In a bowl, prepare some ice and water to create an ice water bath. The chicken selection that we are using here is kampung chicken or free-range chicken. The meat is more chewy and it really does make a sweeter and better tasting flavor as compared to the normal farm chicken. Right after we leave the chicken out of the pot, cool it in the ice water bath. This helps to immediately seal the sweetness and tenderness of the chicken. For the ginger and spring onion dipping, first up, scrape ginger and garlic. The ratio we are using here is 2 portions of ginger over 1 portion of garlic. You may adjust the ratio based on your liking. I'm using a pasta mortar to pound the ginger and garlic. If you do not have it at home, you may simply chop them finely. Next, add in chopped spring onions. In a pan, heat up cooking oil with dash of salt. Pour over the hot oil onto the mixing. Heating the oil helps release the flavors and aromas of the ginger and spring onion. And here you go, poached chicken served with ginger and spring onion sauce.